बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so. You all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning looks of and best ideas of crochet sewing ideas for your home decor. These are super incredible and very unique crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, always remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates. And for more notifications. These are super incredible and very unique. And very pretty. Crochet sewing ideas for you guys. So guys, remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And you also make these ideas at home very easily. Hope so guys. You enjoyed this video. And you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. Follow for more details. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.